Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to a latest update for this Monday through Wednesday, February 6 to 8, 2023. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Danga College Foundation Typhoon Preparedness Center. This is our English version. And let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GoAppSat that we issued this afternoon. We have a return of the warm easterlies affecting the eastern sections of the country from eastern Luzon, Bicol region, and some of these winds are penetrating across Metro Manila, Calabar, Luzon, and also across eastern Visayas and northeastern Mindanao. That's the area of northern Caraga, Surigao provinces, Dinagat, and Siargao. The chance of flooding and landslides will remain low since these are just short rainfall with possible thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. Elsewhere, good weather will be expected, sunny skies with warm temperatures of up to 31 degrees or 32 degrees in some areas of the country. Outside of PAR, we don't have any developing low pressure systems or tropical cyclones. We just have here a converging winds known as the Intertropical Convergence Zone. The surface trough to the south of Palau, or we may call this also as a near equatorial trough. Up here over Taiwan, we have a developing frontal system that is expected to zoom towards the northeast away from East China. So foggy conditions will be expected in various sections of southern and eastern China. So right now the monsoon is on a break, northeast monsoon. So based on the forecast, there is a possibility of a return on February 15, and we will keep you updated on that one. And as we take a look at this fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page, there you go. These are the cloudiness from the near equatorial trough being embedded within the northern portions of that, being embedded within the easterly wind flow. And if we take a look at the zoomed in satellite animation from windy.com, there you go. These are thunderstorms moving across northern and northeastern Mindanao, including Soxogen, Davao region. And some of these rain clouds are penetrating eastern Visayas, as well as central Visayas, portions of Cebu and Bohol. While the Bicol region will also see some showers with very small thunderstorms moving across the western sections of Camarines Sur. That includes the District 1, okay, of Camarines Sur, from Cagay del Gallego down to Pasacao area. And if we take a look now on the latest wind forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday, by tomorrow afternoon we could see the prevailing easterly winds still occurring or affecting the eastern sections of Luzon, including Bicol region, while a change of the winds over eastern Visayas and eastern Mindanao because of the northeasterly surface windflow. And Wednesday afternoon, we could feel now the change of the winds in various sections of eastern Luzon as the weak Amihan, or the northeasterly wind flow, continues to intensify. But on Thursday afternoon, the northeasterly wind flow will start to weaken, bringing busy conditions across Bicol region, Mimaropa, Visayas, Sulu Archipelago, and eastern Mindanao. Now, if you're asking me when will be the next surge of the monsoon, since we are still on the northeast monsoon season, and the end of that will occur middle or last week of March. So right now we have another surge of monsoon coming up that will be on Wednesday, February 15. So there you go. That's the forecast from the European model, and we have here a low pressure system moving across the southern edges of the Western Pacific, just to the southeast of Palau. So we are going to keep an eye on this LPA, but it's not expected to intensify into a tropical cyclone come February 15, that's a day after Valentine's. Now let's take a look on the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Thursday. Rain showers will be expected along the eastern sections of Luzon, particularly over northern Quezon, and also some showers along the eastern sections of Bicol region, and becoming more intense here over Carga and Davao Oriental because of the easterly to northeasterly wind flow. So expect thunderstorms to happen there within the next 3 days because of the effects of the La Nina, which is continues to bring above average rainfall to our country. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Monday. We will return in the next couple of days. This is Mike Padua saying good night and stay safe always. And thank you so much for watching our channel.